Hello and welcome to another edition of Fast Pitch, 120 seconds with the Merrick School of Business. I'm Kathea Smith, Assistant Dean, and today you're going to meet two of our students and learn a little bit about what brought them to the University of Baltimore and what they're doing now. So let's start the clock. Hi Renata.
Hello.
Hi Renata.
Hi.
It's like deja vu. That's right, I have two Renatas, both of whom graduated from the University of Baltimore Merrick School of Business and have come back for yet another degree, and both are working at SB & Company, a public accounting firm here in Baltimore. So let's start with Renata and tell us a little bit about what brought you to the University of Baltimore to pursue your graduate degree.
I came to the University of Baltimore to do my MBA, and it was flexible, and I could customize it in accounting. And while I was here, I was able to be a graduate assistant at the dean's office.
And we loved having you here. What about you, Renata?
I'm a transfer student. I started my school career at Montgomery Community College, and I learned about UB at a transfer fair, and I chose UB because of the flexibility and the night classes mainly.
Great. So you both have graduated, and you're both at SB & Company. Are there a lot of University of Baltimore alumni working there?
Yes.
Well, that's a tradition we definitely want to continue. So can you tell me about what brought you to SB & Company?
I met SB & Company at a career fair here at UB, and they also came to a beta of Psi meeting. And I started there as a summer intern 2 years ago, and then I was a part-time intern for a year, and I started full-time a year ago as a staff auditor.
Fantastic. And what about you, Renata?
I also found out about SB & Company through the accounting career fair in Beta Alpha Psi. I joined the company through the internship program last summer, and I joined full-time upon graduation.
Fantastic. So if you had one piece of advice to give students about why to choose the University of Baltimore Merrick School of Business, what advice would you give them? Renata?
I believe the University of Baltimore have great faculty and great advisories that they helped me a lot to choose my career path.
Great. What about you?
Yes, I really like the faculty as well. And besides the faculty, there's also a lot of non-traditional students that work full-time, and they could also be a great resource.
Well, thank you both so much for joining me today. And if you want to learn more about how you can come to the University of Baltimore Merrick School of Business to become a leader in the accounting industry, check out the links below. Time's up.